Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna learn one of the most powerful automation feature in Salesforce, that is updating field using Flow Builder. So in the previously we already know how we can send automatically mail to the customer when particular condition is met. But in today's video we are discussing automatically update the field or stage based on some conditions. So this is updating fields using Flow Builder completely related to flows. Now this is super important because instead of users updating records manually every time, Salesforce can automatically update fields for you. And honestly, Flow Builder is now the main automation tool in Salesforce. So then we need to understand what does that mean by update fields using flows. Okay, we can go with simple understanding. A flow can automatically change field values when something is happened. I will give one real-time example, then it will more easier to understand. So currently I am in my lead object. In this lead object, I will open one record. So currently I will open one record like Anil Kumar MN. Okay. Currently in this lead, I have one field like email sent to customer, and also as well as I have one more field like stages, like new, contacted, follow-up, quotation, qualified, converted, unqualified, or rejected. Like this. This is we call it as stages. So what I need to do, like, so when this checkbox is true, I need to update this stage into contacted. So then first we need to understand when it becomes true. So currently I have one button like send email. For this checkbox true, we return backend code for this. So for example, I will simply click on this send email. Then I will simply send email to customer. So once I send, automatically now you can see this checkbox is true. My requirement is if this checkbox is true, I need to update the stage into new to the contacted. So this is my real-time requirement. So then how we can do this? So first I will click on gear icon. Go to setup. So once you open the setup in quick find box, you need to search like flows. So currently I will open process automation flows. So I need to create new flow. So that's why I will simply click on new flow. So in here, we have a different types of flows types. So currently I will select record trigger flow because it will only fire when record is created, updated or deleted in that time. So in here, we need to configure the basic things like for which object that flow should be trigger like that. So currently my flow should be trigger in lead object. So that's why I will select lead. I need to trigger this flow when record is updated. Which record? The checkbox is become true. So that's why I will select as a record is updated. Then we need to set condition requirements. What is my conditions? So I will add on condition like, for example, email sent to customer equals true. When this flow should be triggered, when email sent to customer is equal to true. In that time only we need to update the stage, right? So that's why I set entry condition as email sent to customer equals true. So now the first thing is completed. So now we need to go to next step. Next step is we simply click on this plus icon. We need to add one more element like update record. So currently I will type like update records. Why I select update records? Because I need to update the field in records. So that's why I will select update records. So we need to give the label. I will give it as update lead stage. Then API will automatically set. So if you want to add description, you can add. And also we need to set the filter conditions. So currently I don't set any filter condition because I already set one condition. So then in here set field values for this lead record. Means in here we need to set which field value should be update like that. So currently I need to update lead stage. That's why I will select lead stage. Lead stage field with which value we need to update? We need to update with contacted. So that's why I will simply selected contacted. So now the thing is ready. So simply we need to click on save. So then we need to give the actual flow name. I will simply give like lead auto stage update. Then click on save. Currently this flow is saved, but we need to activate. Otherwise it will not work. So I will simply click on activate. So we need to check this is working properly or not. How we can check? First we need to go to lead object. So currently for this record already email sent to customer is true. Currently it's not work, but we can check with other record. For example, I will go to lead object. I will refresh once. So now I will open any other record. So currently I will open this record. In here, currently this checkbox is not true. So I will simply click on this send email. I will click on send email again. So now you can see this checkbox is becomes true and automatically the stage is updating to contacted. So this is how we can update the field by using flows in Salesforce. It is one of the best feature in Salesforce. We need to utilize our project based on our requirement. So I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.